And I like my tape. It's the new fashion. But excuse me. Ooh. Hey beautiful people, my name is Tariel and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, then welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, then thank you and welcome back. All right, so for today's video, I decided that I wanted to redecorate my room. So that's what I've been doing. There's like a few things I started putting up. I don't want to show too much. Just because I want to do a room tour at some point, maybe in the next 2 videos. So be on the lookout for that. But I wanted to go ahead and add a collage wall to my room. So on Pinterest, I have a board and I've been searching up different ways how to make one. I've been looking online, YouTube videos, and I feel like I figured out a way to do it. So today we are going to put up a collage wall in my room. So yeah, that is what we're doing today. So I'm going to show you guys what I got for my wall and then we're just gonna get started. So here we go. All right, so what I did, I noticed that there's like these different websites that you can use to get, it's like a collage wall kit that you can order. I was like, I don't know. Like, I don't know if I want to do that. There's certain pictures that I want. There's like a certain aesthetic I want to do. I didn't want just random pictures. So I decided that I was going to print off pictures myself. So what I did, I measured out my wall, measured that out, and it looked like I needed 32 to 36 pictures. And I was going off by 8 by 10. So I got a piece of paper and I measured it out, and it looks like I would need 32 to 36 8 by 10s. And I was like, how do I want to print these off? So at first I did with the computer. It did not work. So I said, you know what, screw it. I'm just going to do it on Walmart. And for 38 or 30, was it 36? I think I got 36 8 by 10s. It came up to 60 something dollars. Altogether, I spent like $70 with tax, and I feel like it was worth it. So I got all these pictures from Pinterest. So I will go ahead and show you that little clip. I got all of these pictures from Pinterest. I will go ahead and leave a link down below in the description box so you guys can check that out in case you guys wanted to use some of the pictures, if anybody was thinking about doing this collage wall. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys just a couple of my pictures, and then we're just gonna go ahead and get started making my wall. Alrighty, so here are some of my pictures. So I got all of these from Pinterest, and then I also got a picture of myself. Just was like, you know what, why not? I felt like this picture goes with the aesthetic that I was trying to do with all the other pictures. I didn't do, like, I feel like this picture is really cute, so I decided to print it off. I didn't do a certain color scheme because I didn't really care. I just printed off stuff that I liked, people that I liked, certain aesthetics that I like. I did some quotes and stuff like that. And yeah, that's what I did. When I printed these off, I made sure that I did the matte and not the glossy. Just because if you do glossy and if you're trying to take pictures behind it, which I am trying to do, the reflection will bounce off of the pictures. So I made sure that I got all my pictures in matte. So now let me show you guys the wall that I want to decorate today. First of all, this is my mirror. Love it so. Love my mirror. And all the pictures that I've been looking at for like room decor, they have a collage wall going right behind the mirror. So when you take mirror pics, when you take mirror pics, they be fire. I wanted to do it to where my door, when I open my door, it goes about right here. So I was thinking I wanted the pictures to go all the way past this little breaker door. I'm really hoping that I live in an apartment. So I really hope that when the people come here like maintenance and they try to do stuff, they don't have to check that. If they do, I mean, the worst case scenario, I take the pictures down. But I really wanted to cover this. The way that my room is set up, there's nowhere else for my mirror to go. There's nowhere else for it to go except for here. So as you can see, there's little marks, tick marks that I use pencil to kind of like figure out how I wanted to do it. And yeah, so right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my mirror away and put it on the other side, and then I'm going to kind of just lay out all my pictures on the floor to figure out how I want to set it up. And we're going to be using Scotch tape. I don't know how well that's going to work, but that's all we have right now. So Asis got to work with what she got. All right, so the way that my phone is set up on my tripod, y'all, I'm getting a new camera and I'm super excited. Well, not a new camera. I'm actually getting a camera really soon and I'm super excited. I'm going to make a video on it. And I'm just so ready for it because shooting with my phone is so annoying. I can't stand it sometimes, but you know what? It's what I got. That's what I got to work with. My phone is great. It's just that when doing videos, it's kind of hard because I want to use my phone for certain things in my video. But you know what? It's whatever. So I know I said I was going to shoot it for the floor, but you know what? We're just going to use my bed. So yeah, that's what we're going to do because I can't get the angle correctly. Rip. Y'all, I need to get my whole life in order because you know what? Oh my God. So this is what I have so far. Right now, this is just that's in the way. But this is how I have it right now. Like I said, it's not a certain color or aesthetic. I just kind of put stuff where I think I like them to go. So let's just go ahead and start putting this stuff on the wall. Like I said, we're going to be using Scotch tape and a prayer. So here we go. Alrighty, so I have 4 rows done. I like how it's coming along. I think it's really cute. Yeah. But anywho, I have 4 rows done. I'm about to take a quick break to eat something because I'm hungry. And then we're gonna come back at it. I'm liking how it's looking so far, guys. I'm really liking it. I shall return. All right, we're back. So I just took my snack break and now we are going back to our wall. So let's get back into it. Alrighty, so now we are down to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 remaining pics, 1 being a repeated one. I might just put this somewhere else in my room, maybe on this wall. It goes kind of with the yellow thing. But we're working with the final 4, and I have that much. So now I'm going to figure out where, I'm going to figure out where exactly I want to put these last 4 photos on here. And then after that, you guys, I think we're done with the wall. Oh my gosh. Y'all, I just finished the wall and I am super happy with the results. Like, I am so freaking happy about the result. Like, I love it so much. I'm about to show you guys. Look at her. Look at her. She's beautiful. Oh my gosh. I am so freaking happy with the results. I love the way it turned out. Now, I know it looks like it's in like a random spot in my room. Like, you have this plain wall and then you have this plain wall. But it's not. I'm about to put the mirror up and show you guys. So, this is it. This is with the door closed. So, as you, like when it's open, so you see, it didn't really matter if I went all the way over to the side because I didn't really care. Usually when I take pictures, I'll have my door open like this. So, it didn't really matter. But look, oh my goodness, it's so cute. And then it goes up, 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 and it kind of like widens out. So if I want to do stand up ones, you can see it a little bit more. And it goes up, 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 and it stops right here. So I was thinking like, maybe I'll order some more and then go all the way up. But then I thought about doing something else. I'm thinking about putting either some sort of lights and some like greenery or just something up here to just make this more like, make this pop, because I didn't want to do more just because I don't know, it to be determined. I might just go ahead and say screw it and just get some more pictures and make it go all the way up. So yeah, that's how it came out. I'm gonna let you guys know if the Scotch tape holds up for the entire night. If it does, then we're Gucci. If it doesn't, then we're not Gucci, and I'm about to figure out something else. But I honestly think the Scotch tape will work. And yeah, but that's how it's done. It's simple. It doesn't take too long. It takes about an hour. All you have to do is just get pictures and tape and put it on your wall. See you guys tomorrow for my outro. Hey guys. Okay, so you know how I said that I would get back with you guys like the following day? Well, it's like 3 days later, or is it 4? Needless to say, it's been a couple of days. So, the tape stayed. It stayed on. It is still there. Scotch tape for the win. It is staying up there. I am super happy. The wall is cute. I'm very happy with the results. I guess I'm gonna end the video here because all I did was just do a collage wall. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, go ahead and make sure you give it a thumbs up and like it. Also, leave me some comments on what you think I should do for another DIY. Do it yourself. Like, I'm thinking about doing a couple of things, and I don't know. Just if you have any suggestions, leave me a comment down below. And also, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do so now so you can stay up to date with all my videos. I post every Sunday. Oh, hey, Stitch. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. I'm Tariel. Peace.